In a quaint art gallery, a peculiar phenomenon was unfolding. The paintings, once vibrant, were now sprouting green fuzz. "Is this a new art trend?" a visitor asked, scratching his head. The curator, Mr. Green, chuckled. "No, it's just nature's way of adding texture." As the moss spread, the gallery became a local sensation. "It's like a living exhibit," exclaimed an artist, sketching the scene. Finally, a botanist arrived, declaring, "Congratulations! You've discovered the first art moss hybrid." The crowd erupted in laughter, realizing the gallery had unintentionally become a greenhouse.